Chapter 17. Short Forms. Learn with me. These days, we often use short forms of words when we speak and write. Read the short forms below. Full form, short form, example. I am, I'm doing my homework. He is, his selected for the team. She is, she's a clever girl. It is, it's raining. You are, you're working hard. We are, were, we are going out. They are, they're my neighbors. I shall, I will, I'll go. You will, you'll get candies. They have, they've gone for a movie. Learn with me. The word not is shortened to an apostrophe T. Now study the following table. Full form, short form examples. Is not, isn't, he isn't swimming. Are not, aren't, they aren't work. Was not, wasn't, she wasn't said. Were not, weren't, they weren't nice. Cannot, can't, you can't go out. Will not, won't, it won't train before evening.